Check it out. It's another episode of Crapshoot Creations.
Alright, so we got our blue jean jacket all folded up, a simple pleated up the bottom. The arms are put together here. This is the head part here. We're going to do the rainbow colors, liquid dye, Chinese red, deep orange, bright yellow, emerald green, turquoise blue, cobalt blue, and violet purple. 7 colors of the rainbow. And you can see here I marked it out on the jacket where we're going to put the dye. I'm going to start with the red and work my way down. So we'll start here with the red. So here we are halfway through. Red, orange, yellow. The yellow and the orange are going to blend together nicely and they're going to come out in the arm. So it should be actually a bright jacket. And we'll just keep continuing with the greens and the blues and the purples. So here you have it. Completely dyed up, the rainbow colors. Let's talk a little bit about the dye. The dye, we just followed the directions on whatever brand dye you're using. The only other suggestion is we used rubber bands on this project, so it would saturate more down into the denim. It's not so tight, so you can get that full saturation because we didn't flip it over or nothing. We're going to push it through with the soda ash, as you'll see coming up. And we use mostly 2 cups of yellow. Yellow seems to fade away in a lot of tie-dye projects, so we're trying to hang on to that, and we'll show you a tip on how we try to save the yellow in the project so you can get the full rainbow effect. So let's get the soda ash ready. Here's a little helpful tip when you're dyeing anything. You always want to check to make sure you get good saturation. Here we're just using a pen, and we're going to stick it down in the pleat and check in there. Make sure we got complete saturation. If I had seen any denim blue, or if you're doing a white shirt or anything, add some more dye. Get the good saturation. The better the saturation, the better your project's going to come out to be. So, hey, hope that little tip helps you out. So here we go with the soda ash part. The soda ash part is we got an old coffee maker here that actually works. We're going to use that to keep the water warm. What we did was actually we boiled up some water, poured it in here. We're going to use the water out of here to mix into our 2-cup squirt bottles, and we're actually going to use 1/3 cup of soda ash per bottle. We're going to mix it up nice. It's going to be nice and hot. Make sure you want to wear safety protection. We're going to have our goggles on. We got a mask on, and very importantly, we got this oven mitt so we can handle the bottles of hot water. You could just sprinkle your soda ash right on your item if you want, and just run the hot water through. But like we like to do, we like to mix it up with the hot water, so then we know we got a good mixture of soda ash and water, so there's nothing left behind. Okay, on the soda ash, we make it so strong because A, we want to get a good bonding to the material, plus it's denim. It's a heavy denim jacket, so we want to use more than what we usually use. But like I said, make sure you have your safety stuff on, especially protect your eyes and your nose, because when we pour this hot water with the soda ash on there, we're going to get some vapors coming up. And then once it's in your tub, the vapors are going to be coming up out of your tub, so you want, don't fool around with it, get the job done. So here's another tip we like to use is to try to hold the yellow the best that we can, because it seems to disappear on a lot of items. Is we're actually going to start with the yellow and then work our way out towards the other colors. Yellow towards the green, yellow towards the orange. Hopefully we get the yellow to stick as much as possible, and it'll be an awesome jacket. So yes, just start squirting a little at a time. It'll suck right in. You don't want to go too fast because then you get the waters running together. Like I said, don't lean over top of it so much. You'll be alright. Make sure you get by the rubber bands. When I dyed it, I made sure I got dye underneath the rubber bands. You can see this yellow is affected by the heat. See it turning like an orange color? And I'll just keep going through the whole jacket. I'll probably use 8 cups of water with the soda ash. That's about 2 times doing this. 4 bottles. And then what we actually like to do is go through at the end with just plain old hot water to rinse it through to get that good saturation. Saturation is the key, especially when you're using the hot water irrigation technology. So I'll continue on with this. We'll take a look at it when I'm at the end. Here you go. We used about 10 cups of hot water with our soda ash at 150 degrees or so. And at the end, we like to use all our water. That's the key part of the saturation, is to use a lot of water. So we'll actually just go back with the last of the water, the hot water, and just keep running it through, your item. Any little bit of dye that's left that this water hits, it's going to spurt out and give you that extra color. That's what you want. When you think you used enough water, use some more. Especially if you're not going to flip it over and dye the other side. We didn't dye the other side, remember that. And we'll just keep using all this water till it's gone. Let it sit for an hour or so and it'll be ready to wash out. Tie-dye rainbow denim jacket. Here we are at the wash bay. Here's the finished product. You got your red, orange, yellow, green, blues, purples. Tie-dye denim jacket.